Today I want to talk about something a little controversial. Ceremonial grade matcha is basically a meaningless term. It feels bold to say, but it's true, and once you understand why, you'll never look at matcha labels the same way again. If you've ever bought matcha, you've definitely seen the phrase ceremonial grade. You're probably even told to only buy ceremonial grade matcha. But here's the reality. There is no official definition, no regulation, and no grading authority behind that label. Anyone can print ceremonial grade on a tin no matter the quality inside. The word ceremonial implies that the tea is suitable for the Japanese tea ceremony, also known as chanoi. The word grade implies some sort of ranking system. But here's the problem, that grading system does not exist. In Japan, matcha isn't sold using ceremonial versus culinary categories the way it is overseas. Instead, tea is understood through use, style, and intended purpose. In traditional tea ceremony settings, matcha is usually divided into two main categories: matcha for usucha thin tea and matcha for koicha thick tea. Koicha grade matcha is the highest quality. It must be extremely smooth, naturally sweet, and completely free of bitterness because it's consumed very thick. Usucha grade matcha is still high quality, but lighter, fresher, and meant to be whisked thinner. There's also koicha grade matcha, which is used for practice or lessons. It's still real matcha, still drinkable, but not meant for peak flavor. Here's why calling all of these ceremonial grade makes no sense. All three are used by tea ceremony practitioners, yet their quality, price, and purpose are wildly different. Another key misunderstanding: traditional tea ceremony matcha is almost always blended, not single origin. Blending allows producers to create a consistent flavor year after year. That consistency is essential when hosting long, formal tea gatherings. Single origin matcha, while often excellent, changes every harvest and is not traditionally used in the tea room. So when you see single origin matcha labeled ceremonial grade, it's not wrong, but it's also not culturally accurate. The biggest issue with this term is that it erases nuance. Matcha quality depends on things like cultivar, shading method, harvest timing, stone grinding, blending style, and intended use. None of that is explained by the phrase ceremonial grade. So what should you do instead? Ignore buzzwords.